My home here in Klingrot Northwest, we are doing a stone refinishing job. Brand new marble. These people just bought the house. This was an investment, like flip house. Very, very well done. But the client hates the polished marble. There's scratches. I took pictures and stuff. There's scratches. There's etching. But what I want to point out is there's not a single stain in this marble. A lot of times people get confused on what an etch is and what a stain is. And stain would be like an oil-based stain or coffee or olive oil that's actually soaked in. An etch is an actual burn. It probably won't show up. There's etching here. But what I'm going to demonstrate is I am purposefully, since I'm honing these anyways, I'm purposefully going to etch this. See how this is sizzling? That is actually burning the stone. It's turning more and more white. The reason that is the acid is reacting with the calcium in the stone and it's literally burning it. That's the easiest way to describe it, is a burn. Chemical burn. So I will soak this up. And now, will that show up in that lighting? You can come over here if you need to, Bruno.
Yeah,
Because it's focused on it. So that is an etch. It takes all the shine away, and that's a good one. So that is the difference. That is an etch. It's not a stain. There's not a cleaner that can remove that. There's also not a sealer that will protect the marble from that happening. Okay. There's coatings which can cure on top of the marble, but there's not a penetrating sealer on the market that will protect against that completely. There's ones that will prevent and minimize and give you more time. So like, had I done that, had I wiped it up right away, it might not have done it, or at minimum, it wouldn't have done it nearly as bad. Since that was actually on there a little bit, it leaves that big burn in the stone. Just like if I poured acid on my skin, it would burn. So, thanks for watching. I hope that helps. And we'll also show kind of what we're doing to fix this. Basically wet sanding all of this to a very dull finish. We're actually going to make it all look like this on purpose, but a lot more even, to give them the look they want, and also so they won't see the etching in the future nearly as much. Thank you.